I don't want to use these computers and the internet, but my bank says that go with the internet banking, right? As the same thing, there are many transactions and many works which can be done easily and faster as compared to offline. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel guys. So as keeping all this note as a topic, the term comes computer forensics. To know more about this computer forensics, be with me till end of this video guys. Computer forensics is nothing but is a field of technology that users investigate techniques to identify and store the evidence from a computer device. I think you did got my point, right? So don't worry guys, let's clear in a better way. So in any criminal case, any crime case, if there is found any digital device like laptop, mobile phone or computer, with that device they will take the information like evidence. So this process is called computer forensics. You know one thing guys, people who work with digital forensics in cyber security, they are the front line in the fight against the cyber crime. To analyze any crime, there are 6 steps to be followed. The first one is identification, and second one is preservation, and third one collection of data, and fourth one analysis of data, and fifth the documentation, and the last one is presentation. So the 6 steps to be followed to analyze any crime. So as the uses of digital devices increasing, as the same manner the cyber crime cases also increasing. You can see here graph, right? So according to the graph, you can think how the cyber crimes are increasing. So up to now we have covered what is computer forensics and how to analyze a crime, right? So now we will see how much demand is there for a computer forensics in India and also in abroad. So before knowing that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel guys and add a like button and share this video. The computer forensics demand is high for graduates of computer forensics in law enforcement agency in India. As the present scenario, the annual income of a computer forensics is 5 lakhs per annum. And in Government of India, it's around 3.6 to 4.6 lakhs per annum. So if you want to become a computer forensics, so you have to complete the graduation. So after graduation, you have to do the complete course of computer forensics. Then you have to do one intensive also. And if you had completed your graduation in technical background, so it's more better. And one more thing, in this field, it's totally based on your knowledge and the training. And if you have more knowledge on the computer sides, in cyber security and this computer forensics, then you will get more opportunities. And one more thing guys, if you want to work in abroad, the annual income of a cyber security or the forensic in abroad is around $77,000 to $35. And in Indian rupee, it's around 59 lakhs. And you can see here also, right? So there is a reason behind this. So the reason is, you can see here, right? So you can see here the top 10 countries of a cyber crime, and the top countries are abroad, right? So I think you got a clarity or an idea that why the cyber security or the computer forensics having more demand in abroad, right? So here are the few courses of computer forensics. So if anyone is interested, they can do these courses, and you can see here fee structure and the duration also, right? So if anyone is interested in cyber forensics courses or in cyber security field, then please comment below guys. I will help you in better manner. So that's it guys, this is the video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, add a like button and share this video guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And finally, see you in the next video.